Begin by identifying the driver's side and passenger side. To accommodate for a side airbag, provisions have been integrated into the seat cover design in the form of a single stitch seam or Velcro that will split open in an emergency situation. Airbag provisions will always be placed on the outside of the seat facing the side windows or whichever side the airbag tag is on. Tilt the seat back. To remove the headrest, start by putting light pressure underneath to lift up while pressing the tabs to release it. Place the seat cover over the seat and then identify the webbing straps. There are two 3/4 inch wide webbing straps that are approximately 10 inches long, sewn into the center crease line of the seat cover with large buckles attached. It may be easier to loosen or remove the buckle to tuck it through the center of the seat, making sure it has gone fully through and is accessible from the bottom. On the outside, facing the door, there will be a 1/2 inch wide webbing strap that runs along the bottom of the skirting, which will go around the entire seat and has a small buckle attached to it. For a cleaner look, first undo the buckle, and the outside end can be fished through a gap that is in between the plastic shroud and seat. The side anchor will need to be placed down firmly until it clips into place. It will go in between the seat and plastic shroud. On the front of the seat, the skirting will have two long 36 inch, 3/4 inch wide webbing straps that will need to be fished underneath through the bottom of the seat carefully, not to disrupt or bind any wires. To correctly attach the buckles and straps together, make sure the buckles are facing the correct way. The strap must go through the inner opening first, and then the outer opening. If this is done incorrectly, the buckle and strap will not tighten. Attach the two 3/4 inch wide front webbing straps to the ones that were tucked through the center of the seat. Attach the 1/2 inch wide ends together with the small buckle that runs along the skirting bottom and around the seat. One side should have been tucked through the plastic shroud, and the other end is by the seat buckle. If the seat cover is aligned properly, cinch all of the webbing straps tightly. To install the headrest cover, start by reinstalling the headrest. Then proceed to slip it over the top of the headrest and pull firmly downwards until it is centered. There is a bungee cord that runs along the bottom of the seat cover back, which can be pulled from the inner side of the seat. It is usually hidden away near the seat belt buckle. Pull the bungee tightly to remove any excess slack from the seat cover back and secure with a knot to hold the tension. Begin by opening the lid and slipping on the lid cover. Ensure that the two elastic straps go around the plastic corners on the bottom side of the lid. Start by removing the headrests. Place your hand underneath the headrest and gently lift up while pressing the release tabs. Place your left hand over the seat and pull up the release in order to tilt the seat down. Take the 60 side top and slide it through the center seat belt and then over top of the seat, clearing the headrest post holes. When pulling the seat cover down, use caution as the knit back needs to clear the latch mechanism on the back side of the seat. Tuck all of the Velcro tabs through the center of the seat and to the back. Make sure the seat cover is correctly positioned in the right place, then attach them to the ones on the back side of the top. Take the 60 side bottom and place it loosely over the seat, making sure to clear the child safety restraints and undo the buckles. Attach the Velcro to the bottom of the seat and the back. Lift the seat up and pull the webbing straps with the lash tabs attached down. Feed the side webbing ends through the lash tab. With each end through the lash tab, attach the buckle to the 1/4 inch wide webbing ends. Adjust the seat cover until it is in the correct position and cinch together tightly. To relatch the 60 top, pull the lever on the 60 side bottom, then lift all the way up. Place one hand on the seat top, pressing down firmly, then slowly lower the bottom with your other hand until you can hear the latch engage with a click. Give the seat a tug to ensure it's locked into place. On the inner side of the seat, locate the bungee. Proceed to pull out all of the slack and make a knot to hold the tension in place. Reinstall the headrests and headrest covers. Remove the headrest. To fold the seat down, pull the tether on the side of the seat. Slip the seat cover over the seat, clearing the headrest post openings, and pull the tether on the side through the opening. Feed the Velcro tabs through the center of the seat and attach it with the ones on the back side of the top. Place the seat bottom loosely on the seat. Clear the child safety restraints and attach the Velcro to the back of the seat and to the bottom. Feed the lash tab through the center of the seat until it is visible from the bottom. Lift the seat up. Feed one end of the webbing that goes around the bottom skirting through the lash tab. Connect the buckles together and cinch together tightly. Locate the bungee on the inner side of the seat. Pull until there is enough tension and then make a knot to hold it in place. Reinstall the headrest and headrest cover.